Hello everybody. Today I want to make a review about Zero Carbon project and what's the idea behind Zero Carbon. This blockchain is a sort of online shop connecting the suppliers and the consumers of the renewable energy. The transactions are secure and transparent. Suppliers get the access to the consumer database and vice versa. The filters include location and pricing. And what is so good about zero carbon and what issue it can solve? It can save the planet. It offers a possibility to eliminate the greenhouse effect by making the renewable energy sources more attractive to the consumers. What's the greenhouse effect? In short, it's a disaster waiting to happen. Basically, it is a temperature increase of the Earth's surface caused by the heat up of the lower layers of the atmosphere. Industry development is the main reason that the carbon dioxide and other gases enhancing greenhouse effect actively jump out and collect in the atmosphere. As a result, air temperature gets higher and leads to such disastrous and hardly irreversible consequences as climate changes and global warming. This environmental problem existed several centuries ago, yet it was not as obvious as it is now. With the development of technologies, the quantity of sources contributing to the greenhouse effect in atmosphere increases every year, with the energy industry being one of the main contributions. It's transformational for energy market. It's cheap, environment friendly, and has incentive for low consumption. At the moment, the biggest issue of the renewable energy is its high cost. There are no incentives for those saying no to the dangerous energy sources, burn carbon dioxide, and willing to go green. Zero Carbon came up with the great solution for that. The costs are being reduced by introducing this blockchain and having energy tokens serve as incentive for those willing to reduce the energy consumption. In the end, this project becomes a low-cost, greener and healthier alternative to the traditional energy market, where the consumers are motivated by the possibility of making money with the newly introduced, yet undoubtedly stable is its grown cryptocurrency, Energyscripta. What are the other features and what's so great about them? It's transparent. Transparency is one of the great benefits that come along with this blockchain. The system uses smart contracts for transactions with the possibility to even run auctions upon necessity. It gives you freedom of choice. The system gives you the possibility of more than one option of the supplier. Would not that be great to switch from the nowadays monopolies we are tied to and have a freedom to choose amongst the suppliers actually competing to keep up with the market standards? It's G-local, i.e. has a global local presence given large geographical coverage. It's convincing, whereas commissions paid by suppliers to become a part of the project database and 70% of transactions fees go for simulation of the end users, basically making people to choose using the type of energy that can save our planet, instead of the current one, which keeps destroying it. In conclusion, At the moment, there is no pressures for the current consumers of the dangerous energy sources to immediately switch to clean energy consumption. It's mostly focused on the private sector. Yet this project is aimed at soft but precise stimulation of the public and state opinion to also invade the urban monopolies in this regard. So, if you are a firefighter, want our planet clean and like to make money, you are more than welcome to join this project and take an active part in saving our planet in the most ecological way possible. It's just as ambitious as it's doable. Thank you for attention and bye.